Accord XL, silver, and leather. There are used cars, and then there are cars like this well taken care of 2008 Honda Accord. This luxury vehicle has it all, from a posh interior to a wealth of outstanding features including AM/FM/XM radio, CD player and O input that can be used to play your favorite MP3 player, radio and cruise control on the steering wheel, two 12-volt inputs you can use to charge your electronics, dual heated seats, dual heat air controls, moonroof and illuminated vanity mirrors. It's quick and responsive enough to satisfy all but the hardcore enthusiasts, yet still enough room to make a great daily driver. Call Chapman Nissan today to schedule your test drive. 215-492-1200